Today I'll show you the dashboard gauges available to you in the Garmin GPSMap 700 series. I have a 720S for this example. Go through Home and then Information. Inside Information we got dashboard gauges. Go into here and we have a bunch to choose from. A bunch of these do rely on external sensors, so you may not be able to see these until you have those sensors hooked up or you put the unit in simulator mode. The first option we have is compass. Inside compass, we have our compass rose with speed and a bunch of information around it. If we hit menu, we could change dashboards. Let's do numbers this time. And this is like a trip computer. It shows you a bunch of useful info such as your GPS speed, heading, position, your maximum speed, your bearing, and whether you're off course. If you hit menu from this screen though, you could actually configure. And when you configure, you could change the number of data fields you see. So let's say 4. And now, if we touch one of these 4, we could change what it shows. Just choose a category, and then what you want to display. Let's say GPS error. When done, hit done, and we just change that page. Let's look at our next. So our next dashboard is Trip Computer, which is a lot like the number screen. In here we could reset the trip, we could reset the odometer, reset maximum speed, or just reset all. Another dashboard we get is Engine. And in Engine it's going to show us our fuel economy, our RPMs, our trim, and then our gas tank. And then there's some errors here. We could hit these sidebars here to cycle through some of the looks. When you go into menu, you can set up the gauge. You could also fill up all tanks, add fuel to a boat. So you say I only added 3 liters to the boat. And then set total fuel on board. So if I got 80 liters on board, I could set that through this menu option. Then we have our wind, and this will need a Garmin weather sensor. We could show our true wind or our apparent wind. Our speed display could be based on GPS speed or water speed. Our VMG or velocity made good source could be auto, water speed, or GPS speed. Heading source, we could go GPS heading or magnetic. We could change the upwind scale and then change the downwind scale. Let's look at another dashboard. The last dashboard is environment. Inside here it's very similar to the wind one. The menu options for this guy is heading source. We go GPS heading or magnetic heading. Pressure reference, anywhere from 30 minutes to 24 hours, and those are the options we have. And then alignment, we could go north up or head up, which is also known as track up. Those are the dashboard gauges available to you in some of the settings in the Garmin GPSMap 700 series. We're currently